And welcome to my channel. You have just entered the Studyverse, a place where we don't just learn, we transform beginners into creators. Get ready, your learning journey starts now. Before entering into the Python program, we need to know about how does a program work. Imagine piano. A piano is powerful, but it cannot play music by itself. Without a pianist, the piano is just a box. As like that, without a program, the computer is just a machine. A computer can only follow instructions given by a program. For example, suppose you ask someone who has never made tea before, you must give step-by-step instructions like boil water, add tea powder, add milk, add sugar. These instructions together form a program. Similarly, a computer needs step-by-step instructions for every task. Now we are going to see the difference between natural language and the programming language. First, let me see the natural language. You tell your friend, please bring me a glass of water. Your friend understands this is a natural language, English or Tamil. In the other side, computer language, if you tell a computer, please bring me water, the computer won't understand. Instead, you must use a programming language like Python. So, computers only understand special language designed for them. Next, we are going to see what makes a language. For English language, to speak English correctly, we need alphabets, words, syntax, semantics. Programming languages also have alphabets, words, grammar, and meaning. So, syntax, the formal rules that define valid statement and structure, semantics, the meaning behind syntactic constructions, the behavior they proceed, and the structure, basic elements, variables, types, and the control flow that compose programs. Now, we are going to see the difference between machine language and high level language. First, we are going to see machine language. If you are speaking to a dog understands only simple commands like sit, stand, run. Computers are similar. They understand only very basic machine language. In the other side, human language or high level language. So we use languages like Python, Java, C++. So, because they are easier for the humans to read and write. Now, we are going to see the difference between the compilation and the interpretation. So, imagine translating an entire English book into Tamil once. After translation, anyone can read the Tamil version without needing the translator again. This is compilation. That is, transforms the entire source code into a standalone executable before running. Other side, interpretation. Imagine a live translator during a speech. The speaker says one sentence, the translator immediately translates it. This is interpretation. Now we are going to see what does the interpreter do. It read code, tokenize, analyze it, and then execute. Then compilation, process, and benefits. So first, the point is source to object, and second point linking, and third point optimization. Next, we are going to see the interpretation, process, and benefits. Read, analyze, and execute. We now here to see the difference between compilation versus interpretation, advantages and disadvantages. So compilation advantages are fast execution, optimized code, distributable executables, and disadvantages are platform dependence without recompilation, longer edit compile test cycle. And here are the advantages of interpretation, which is easier debugging, immediate execution, cross-platform if interpreter is available. And the disadvantages are slower runtime performance and potential overhead from repeater parsing. These are the key takeaways. So today we learned something very important in a simple way. Thank you.